Shopify POS, a revolutionary way to sell in physical stores were historically considered to be less competitive than e-commerce. Shopify POS has changed this. Shopify POS allows you to take advantage of all the features that make Shopify the best e-commerce platform and put them into your brick-and-mortar shop. Let's look at Shopify POS and how it can revolutionize the way that you sell. Shopify POS allows you to integrate Shopify into your physical store. Shopify POS allows you to connect your Shopify account with a hardware register and then start selling immediately. You don't need to create complicated integrations or sign expensive contracts. Everything you need is available right in the app. Shopify POS also includes all the features that make Shopify such a powerful e-commerce platform, like inventory management, customer profiles, and automatic tax calculations. To get answers to your questions, click below. Shopify POS works seamlessly with other Shopify apps. Shopify Shipping can be used to fulfill orders from your online shop. You can add orders to your in-store queue and have them ready for customers when they arrive. Shopify's integrated payment system allows you to track all your sales online and offline in one place. Shopify POS is a game changer for brick-and-mortar shops. You can take all the Shopify e-commerce features and put them into your brick-and-mortar store. Shopify POS allows you to streamline your business, provide a better customer experience, and sell more products. Shopify POS is the best way to grow your store. Get a demonstration by clicking the link below.